Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Tuesday. Hope you guys had a great Labor Day. We are out here in Lilburn, Georgia. This is one of my clients, Chris Mullins. He is a real estate agent, and they're putting this house on the market. And these floors, guys, woo, man, you're going to see a lot of scuff marks in these floors because they have a lot of residue on these floors. So what we're going to do, me and Tavares, we just came from doing a consultation not far away in Lawrenceville. And then we also have another in-home consultation in Atlanta. So while the finish is drying here, we're going to shoot up to Atlanta, do that consultation. So anyway, guys, we're going to be doing a screen and recoat, almost close to 900 square feet with wax removal. And I want to show you these floors. Beautiful day today. You can really tell that fall is almost here. Fall is my favorite season, man. So anyway, let me flip this around. All right, guys, so we are in Lilburn, Georgia. And again, shout out to my client, Chris. He's a real estate agent. He has been using me for years. I'm talking about years. And he said Courtney and his wife also stages homes. He said, Courtney, we got another one, man, just like the one you did for us last time. So guys, if you come in, let me zoom in. I'm gonna zoom in. You see all those scuff marks? Let me zoom in. I'm gonna flip it around. Let me flip it around. You can actually see it better when I turn around. Look at all this, guys. Look at all that. So this is what happened when people put all that residue on the floors. And this would definitely make a home hard to sell. Because think about it, guys. You walk into this house, and you're like, what is wrong with these floors? No matter what else is going on with the house, what is wrong with the floors, okay? So also through here, see all this, guys? All right. And then we got this big open area right here. Again, scuff mark city. All right, all these scuff marks. So we're gonna basically be doing this entire area right here. We're gonna go ahead and spray it down all through the kitchen. And then we're gonna recoat it because you can see that the original factory finish is worn out. And then, yeah, floor's gonna be looking good. All right, guys. Look all through here, see all this, guys? Look at all that. Look at all that. All right, guys. All right, guys, you can see that the wax, look at right here. Look at that, guys. See how it's breaking down already? Look at that. See that? So that's wax on the floor. See that? All right. I'm gonna do the culture. All that wax. All right, guys, look how much better these floors are looking now. So I'm gonna think, guys, just gonna do a top coat protection wear layer. This floor really don't need to be screened, as you can see. Now let's come over here. So all that damage that you see, guys, again, it's in that wax. So you see right here where we took all the wax off. Move my finger out the way. See all that? And let's go back this way. Look at that, guys. See all that? Look at all that. Okay, you see the difference? Look at this. Huge difference. Huge difference. As long as they keep selling people those products, it's going to keep us busy doing stuff like this, guys. All right, actually the consultation I went to this morning, the exact same thing with the floors, got wax on it. She said she'd been putting orange glow on it. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, look at all this. So you see we did there, back there already. Look at all this wax being emulsified. And I will say, man, this job can be very dangerous because it can be very, very slippery. Yes, I have fallen before numerous times. So when you find someone that can do this type of work, take it as a blessing, because I'll tell you, so many companies will tell you to just replace the floor. I get a lot of work just because of other companies do not want to do this work. They say just replace it, because this floor right here can't be sanded. All right, guys, start getting the wax up. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Client is happy. Again, Chris is one of my long-time repeat clients. So I just called him, sent him some pictures. He said, Courtney, send me the invoice. Go ahead and get you paid. And so he already made the payment. And we are done. So we're about to shoot into Atlanta and do a consultation. I think they are ready to get on the schedule, because he did send me pictures and he did pay for the in-home consultation, because they are moving in, and he said we're already in, but we don't have any furniture in. All right, guys, so floors look great. Remember all those scuff marks? Let me zoom in. Go back to the beginning of the video. Remember all those scuff marks? Look at that, guys. Ooh, they look good. They look good. Yes, sir. Then up in here, when I first showed you guys when we first come in, remember all those scuff marks? Look at that. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. 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 All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thanks again for watching. Great day today. Tomorrow we'll be in Conyers. We have a screen and recoat tomorrow, and we also have a consultation in the morning. He paid for his consultation today in Sugar Hill, Beaufort area. All right, guys, see you in the next one.